everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life here in my new kitchen, which is a new house. We're moving from the small house into our big house now. So I am very happy to have this bigger kitchen than my last kitchen before. And today it's a cooking time. I'm going to share you a vegetable curry. This is a Cambodian style, which all organic. And my shirt is a yellow, so the curry is also a yellow. So let's get started. You can taste the lemongrass, the turmeric, and the galangal, and of course the lime leaf. So nice. This is the fresh coconut because I went to the market and buy the really fresh coconut. I don't like much in the can, so I asked them to grind for me, and then they also do it. Okay, let's start to clean up the ingredients: the potato, the squash, and the broccoli. You don't need to totally clean up the squash because there is vitamins on the skin. So I only take some, not really all, because I want some vitamins. This is the galangal. It's fresh one, huh? And the fresh turmeric also. See the turmeric. And this is the lime leaves. These are the cut lemongrass. So this all together I put in here, and then I grind it very thin as much as I can. So first I do put this one, the lemongrass, and I have to cut this one small. This is really smell good. And the turmeric, the galangal, and I also add the garlic and the onion in here, so together. So it takes me maybe few minutes if I'm lucky. This is all organic. Very nice. Nice smell, nice taste. Actually, this is my third time, and now I'm going to share it to you. That's why I make a video on my channel. The ingredient of my vegetable curry which is Cambodian curry, a very fresh one. This is all fresh and organic. The broccoli, the potato, and a squash, and a powdered turmeric. I also use powdered turmeric because my fresh turmeric is not so much, so I use a powder one little bit, and the curry powder also a little bit of curry powder, and some pepper. And yes, this is my mix, but this is not yet done. And this is the coconut milk, the fresh coconut milk. This is the first grind, which is no added water, and this one with added water. So look at that, look at this, and this is the result. It's not totally grind. It takes me already 30 minutes, so this is enough. So this is the galangang, the turmeric, the lemongrass, garlic, onion, and the lemongrass and the lime leaf. So we got start to cook. So I'm going now to heat. I just use low fire. I have to add a little bit of oil, and now the oil is hot. We have to add our mixed ingredient. That's a lot. This smells good. We'll soak this one for a little bit, minute. Really smells good now. And then we have to add our potato and squash. Mix this. Consider. I love this one. This is my third time cooking. So now I'm going to share you. I took a video so I can share it in my YouTube channel. And I'm going to put the coconut milk. This is added water. So this one has to boil for our vegetable, so it's going to smooth. Then we let it boil until our potato and the squash will be really smooth. Just to have a low fire. So we cover it so it will boil. While I wait to smoothen, so I can do my hula hoop in here, which is I'm addicted now. My kitchen is big enough, so I don't have to worry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I can do this one more than 100. Okay, look my cooking. Sometimes you need to stir this one because it's also stick on the cooking pan. It's already smooth, but I want to make it more. So now I have to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of ground pepper and a little bit of turmeric because it's already yellow, and a little bit of curry powder. Okay, you have to stir it. This is really nice on the rice. Most vegetarian, they only eat this without rice. You can see it's really smooth now. So the last one, we're going to add our pure coconut milk. So yummy. Tastes so good. The squash is already divided, really smooth now. Ready to eat now. You have to taste now. I'm hungry now, so I'm going to eat my cooking. So I'm going to eat now. Very delicious. You can really taste the spices. Remember the one I grinded? Oh, you can really taste it. You can taste the lemongrass, the turmeric, and the galangal, and of course the lime leaf. So nice. So do it in your home. Very delicious. Bye. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you.